Hey guys, it's Dr. Wade from Integrity Chiropractic. Today I'd like to talk about one of my favorite topics, leg length discrepancies. Oftentimes a patient, when laying face down like this, is told that they have a short leg. Now, a short leg is indicated by a discrepancy at the heel. Visually like this can sometimes mean that the patient has one of two things. It can mean that they have a functional discrepancy in leg length. Now, upon adjusting the person, maybe that gets straightened up and then they look better like that. But the other type of leg length discrepancy can't be seen just looking at heels. A person can have a structural discrepancy in the length of the leg, either at the femur or the tibia, and that requires an x-ray. So in this example, the height of the right leg is the green line, whereas the height of the left leg is the red line. So the difference between those two lines is the actual difference in leg length discrepancy. This is a structural difference. The femur or the tibia is short on the left side by about 15 millimeters. Up a little bit higher, that amount is exaggerated because some malformation of the sacrum, which actually makes the discrepancy a little bit more, closer to 24 millimeters or about an inch. The only way this can be corrected is by wearing a heel lift, or in some cases, having a shoe modified with a shoe cobbler to make up that discrepancy. So when you're told you have a short leg, don't falsely assume that it can just be adjusted out.